Okay, so welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into M3T Corporation. We've learned a lot about them, their mission, their values, their technology, their approach to different industries.
Yeah, it's been a pretty comprehensive look.
It has. And one thing that's really stuck with me is this whole idea of them being a veteran-owned small business.
Yeah, me too. It seems like more than just a marketing gimmick.
Right. It's like it really informs their whole approach to security?
Yeah, I think so too. There's a certain sense of discipline and precision that you often associate with military experience.
Exactly. And that translates really well to the security industry,
Mhm.
where attention to detail and risk assessment are so important.
Absolutely. I mean, they're dealing with people's safety and security, so those qualities are essential.
Right. And it makes me think about the bigger picture, the future of security.
Mm.
What do you think is next? What role might companies like M3T play in shaping that future?
Well, it's tough to say for sure, but I think we're moving toward a future where security is increasingly proactive and predictive.
Proactive and predictive. What do you mean by that?
Well, right now, most security systems are reactive, right?
Yeah.
They detect a problem and then respond.
Yeah.
But what if we could use technology to anticipate threats before they even happen?
Hmm. That sounds almost like science fiction.
I know, but it's not as far-fetched as it sounds.
Hmm. Interesting.
Imagine a security system that's constantly analyzing data from a variety of sources, not just cameras and sensors, but also things like social media, feeds weather patterns, even traffic reports.
Wow. So it's like taking a much broader view.
Right, and by crunching all this data, AI algorithms could potentially identify patterns and anomalies that suggest a heightened risk of crime or security breaches.
So instead of just seeing what's happening right now, it's about predicting what might happen next.
Exactly, and this kind of predictive security could have huge implications for everything from preventing crime to managing large-scale events.
That's pretty mind-blowing, but it also sounds kind of scary.
Yeah.
What about privacy concerns? Could this kind of technology be misused?
Those are definitely valid concerns, and it's something we need to be very careful about as we develop these technologies.
Right. It's not just about the technology itself, it's about how we use it.
Exactly. We need to make sure that these tools are used responsibly and ethically.
Absolutely.